Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about sewing supplies. Guys, do not stop watching, continue, because this is important for you too. Before we get into that, I'd like to remind everybody, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and click that red button down below that says subscribe on it, and then ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Doesn't mean you have to watch it, but it means you won't miss out on any great stuff I'm going to be giving to you here. All right, so guys, yeah, there used to be a Boy Scout merit badge for sewing. All right, there's a lot of great things you can do that make the missus very happy if you can do it and not make her do it all the time. So everyone, pay attention. So for sewing supplies, what is it that I'm talking about? Well, if you look over my shoulder here, see all the threads and needles and scissors and everything else up here. And you got a hobby lock or a serger, and you got another sewing machine here. Yeah, there's a lot of different things that go into it. You don't want to be doing it all by hand. Now the power's out. These become a little bit harder to use. That's why it's great to have a generator or one of those solar-powered power stations, so you can use these items to take care of mending clothes or making clothes. When I was young, I was for my 12th birthday, my older brother, who's 3 years older than me, made me a 3-piece suit. Hey, it was really cool. In fact, I still have it. It's way too small for me, but I may pass it on to my grandkids if they're interested in it. Of course, my wife goes, ooh, when she sees it, because it was a polyester suit. You know, it's back in the 70s. So, yeah. Anyways, there are a lot of things you can do with it. If you have jeans and you tear a hole in your jeans, or the knees start to wear out and you need to put a patch on there, hey, unless you have a very large supply of iron-on patches, you're gonna have a problem, because I noticed the patches today, the iron-on patches, they don't stick worth diddly squat. You iron it on, you're halfway through the first day you're wearing it, starts peeling on the edges, which is why when my wife does it, she irons on a patch, and then she takes the sewing machine and she sews around the edge of the patch to keep it in place. My grandmother didn't even have iron-on patches when she was growing up, or when my mom was growing up. And so my grandmother used material and sewed patches over the knees and the derriere portion, where people, the kids would rip the backside of the pants and stuff. So there are a lot of important things to do to make the clothes you have last longer. And then it's not just jeans, shirts, buttons. Guys, do you know how to sew on a button properly? Well, this is a skill here set that you really need to think about learning. Now, stocking up on the colored bobbins here and stuff of thread and stuff, yeah, it costs money, but hey, if stores aren't getting supplies and you can't buy clothes and you need work clothes to last longer, this is what's going to help it do it. All right. So guys, get with the missus, find out what she wants, what she needs, get it for her. Ladies, make sure he knows what the proper things is to get, or take him and teach him there at the store what to get now. All righty. So everyone, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Stay prepared. Keep stocking up. And I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to catch the end trailer where I got some videos you might be interested in watching. And I'll see you in the next one around. Take care.